Hi everyone, you're watching Wildex collaboration tutorials. In this video we will see how you can set the user status into Do Not Disturb or Away, not just for yourself, but for some of your colleagues. I tried to find a use case for every feature, so here you go. Imagine that you have a forgetful colleague who went on a holiday and forgot to change his or her status into Away. You can easily fix it. But please mind that this feature is restricted by default by the access control list. So the ability to be able to modify the present status for your colleagues should be explicitly present in the ACL. If you're a manager who needs to be able to change the present status for some of your colleagues, for a group of colleagues, then it is something you should check with your system administrator. Let's select this user in the Colleagues or in the Function Keys menu in Collaboration. Click on the three dots next to this user, go down and click on Set Presence. Not only can you change the status of another user into Do Not Disturb or Away, but you can also set the status message and the date and time when the status should go back to Available. So you can change the user status for your colleagues just in the same way as you do it for yourself. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in one of our next videos.